Okay, we are going to make a very simple but effective ad. I'm in Canva. Now, before we get started, I typically do all of my ads in 1080 by 1080. It's square. That's the square format for it's basically the original Instagram format. Um, it works really well. You can. The nice thing with Canva, you can, if you choose to, go resize for all the different formats. I just use the 1080 by 1080. It's easy. It's quick. So what you're gonna do, you will have the link to this template in your image. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna start. We're gonna pick a background. Um, what I typically use is one of my brand colors, and we're making this for an agency, so we're gonna use their brand color. I'm gonna select this style, and I'm gonna use this. So we're gonna delete most of this. Oh, it overwrote my. And we're gonna make it bigger. Actually, we're just gonna drop in the image first. It's not a fun part of. Everybody knows this. So what I really like to do is use memes or funny pop culture clips or references. Super simple. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this. We're gonna make it bigger. We only want the color for framing and just kind of give it something, but not necessarily. I use the color so it's consistent. So when they click through, but this is how I make an ad. I'm gonna change the font up a little bit. I don't like that. I like Roboto or Canvas Sans is what I use. Canvas Sans is what I'll typically use, and then make it bold. And we're gonna go with black. That's how I make these ads that work really well. And so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna write my ad copy to support this about why is the floor wet, Todd? 2 minutes. It took 2 minutes to make this ad. That's how easy this could be.